What if I told you the reason you're stuck in the rat race isn't because you don't work hard, it's because you were never taught real money management. Every day, millions of people wake up, go to work, pay bills, feel broke, and repeat. That's not financial freedom, that's survival mode. And today, I'm going to show you how to escape it. Let's be honest. You make money, but it disappears. You try to save, something unexpected happens. You want financial independence, but your paycheck controls your life. This is the financial cycle trap. The system teaches you how to earn money, but not how to build wealth. And here's the truth. If you only rely on one source of income, you are financially vulnerable. That's not security. That's risk, but don't worry, there's a way out. Escaping the rat race starts with one powerful decision. Take control of your money. Not your boss, not the economy, not inflation, you. Financial literacy is the foundation of wealth building. And the first rule, control spending. Master budgeting. Pay yourself first. Instead of spending what's left after saving, save first, then spend what's left. That one habit alone separates broke from wealthy. But budgeting alone won't make you rich. If you want real financial freedom, you must build passive income streams. Passive income means earning money even when you're not working. Think about that. Money working for you, not you working for money. Some powerful passive income ideas. Investing in stocks and index funds. Real estate investing. Creating digital products like ebooks or online courses. Starting a YouTube automation channel. Dividend investing, affiliate marketing. At first, it requires effort, but once built, it compounds. And compounding is the secret weapon of wealth. The wealthy don't trade time for money forever. They build assets. Assets generate income. Income builds freedom. Here's where most people miss the opportunity. But passive income without skills? That's gambling. Let's fix that. In today's economy, high-income skills are more valuable than degrees. If you want to increase your earning potential, invest in yourself. Learn digital marketing, coding, AI tools, copywriting, sales, content creation, investing strategies. The job market changes fast. Technology evolves, but skills compound just like money. When you increase your value, your income follows. And here's something powerful. One new skill can double your income faster than any side hustle. Also, don't build alone. Networking creates opportunities money can't buy. The right relationship can lead to better jobs, business partnerships, investment opportunities, mentorship. Your income often reflects the people around you. Upgrade your circle, upgrade your future. Now here's the mindset most people ignore. Celebrate small financial wins. Paid off a credit card? Win. Saved your first $1,000? Win. Stuck to your budget for 30 days? Win. Progress builds confidence. Confidence builds action. Action builds wealth. Financial success isn't one giant leap. It's small, smart moves repeated daily. Escaping the rat race isn't luck. It's strategy. It's discipline. It's financial education. The journey to financial independence requires smart money management, multiple income streams, passive income assets, high-income skills, consistent investing. You don't need to be rich to start, but you need to start to be rich. If you're serious about building wealth and escaping the rat race, comment Financial Freedom 2026 and tell me, what's the first income stream you're building? Subscribe if you want weekly strategies on money, investing, and passive income. Because the sooner you learn how money works, the sooner money starts working for you.